Hello everyone! In order to create any profile on any social media, it is necessary to have an email address, username and password. This we can call a step 0. Leeds, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's get started. First, open up your desired web browser. Now, it could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, you be the judge. Let's create our email address. It could be any platform you want to settle on, but in our case, we decided to go with Gmail. In your search bar, simply type in Gmail. The first thing you need to do is create your account. So head over to the Create Account button in the lower left corner of the box. Now, if you click the button, you're presented with two options. Whether you want to create an account for yourself or for your business. In this case, you're opening your social media profile. So let's pick for yourself. It's time to fill out some forms with important pieces of information. Enter your first and last name, then start typing your desired username. But pay attention. When choosing a username, pick one that closely defines you or your business and make sure that it's memorable enough. And just make sure it's not already taken. Now, just type in your password and make sure that you're using at least one uppercase letter, number, and never type in some special dates in your life or even names. To confirm your password, enter it in the side box again. Notice that little eye icon on the side? Well, it can help you double check if you made any mistakes during typing. Next, click the Next button. Now we have to make sure that your account is safe. So type in your phone number so that should something suspicious occur, the email platform can use the phone number to confirm that it's indeed you who's trying to access the account. Also, your phone number will not be visible to others, so safety is guaranteed. Enter your birthday details, that is month, day, year, but keep in mind that you have to be at least 13 years old. In the box Gender, you may choose to state your gender or prefer to keep that information private. Now, just click Next. On this page, your email platform will provide you with terms and conditions regarding your account, as well as information about your data. If you agree with all this, click the I agree button. After a few moments, you'll be greeted with an entire mail console. On the largest panel, you can see all the messages that arrive in your inbox. On the left, you can filter to all the mail you receive. And that's it. You open your Gmail account. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.